Surukulan is a village located in central Java, Indonesia. The people there say they are filled with a sense of peace and tranquility. Since agriculture is Surukulan's major industry, the farmers there depend on a heavy rainy season to make up for the long dry season in central Java. While most farmers would prefer to use chemicals, they use organic methods instead. This helps everyone enjoy living in a clean environment, free of chemical pollution. You can say that the villagers of Surukulan are proud to enjoy living in a green village. When you visit Surukulan, you will feel nature all around you. You can hear birds singing, you can feel the soft breezes, and even hear bamboo trees swaying in the wind. This gives people who live there and visitors to Surukulan a sense of tranquility, a true medicine for the soul. Surukulan is an ideal place to enjoy traditional arts, crafts, and local traditions there. In fact, once a year, they host a carnival where the people there celebrate a good and successful harvest. They do this by demonstrating through traditional arts and music as a way of showing their gratitude for their achievements in a successful harvest. Since the majority of the people in Surukulan are Muslims, the villagers also gather during this festival and pray Santi Swaran in a group. Santi means pray and Swaran means the sound of music. They pray to also show their gratitude for a good harvest. Surukulan villagers are lucky to have someone to help guide them in their achievements. He is Mr. Suryadi Nugroho, also known as Mr. Plende. Mr. Plende is known to be a champion of nature conservation and a leader in the Green Revolution. Each year, he helps the community plan and hold its festival of Pagar Desa. Pagar Desa is an event held during the harvest and as part of Indonesia's Independence Day. During this festival, villagers of Surukulan campaign to promote greater use of restoring and expanding traditions of the village, which include Java organic farming and nature conservation techniques from long ago. If you visit Surukulan village during the Pagar Desa festival, you will be able to enjoy and participate in the many cultural activities which celebrate the culture of the village. You will be able to see how traditional Javanese music is mixed with modern music. You are welcome to Surukulan for the Pagar Desa